Excuse me, sir. This artwork looks so good. Do you mind if I ask who made this?
Of course, it is made by none other than Lang Dulay.
Oh, can you tell me more about her?
She is Lang Dulay, from the Tiboli community in Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Through her works, she preserved the cultural heritage of their province, showcasing various designs and tapestries.
Oh, I'm curious. How did she able to get the Gamaba Award?
Unfortunately, she didn't get the awards easily. Lang Dulay and her tribe experienced different challenges of modernization. But despite all of that, she showed resilience. She perseveres in showcasing her passion for weaving, through her initiative in passing her skills to future generations, and for her to offer schools for weaving art. And eventually, she was recognized as a national living treasure.